Welcome to my latest course, Maya Dynamics, Hair in Maya 2017 using NHair, XGen, and interactive grooming. Just as the title suggests, in this course we're going to look at the various different methods inside of Maya 2017 for producing hair. And, just as it suggests again, that's going to include working with the NHair system, the XGen system, and the brand new interactive grooming system that was introduced in Maya 2017. So to get started, we're going to take a look at the NHair system. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so we're here inside of Maya 2017, and before we actually get started with hair, I want to very briefly just discuss the assets that we're going to be working with, which is pretty much just going to be this model here. It's just a human head sculpt that I did inside of ZBrush, textured it there too, and imported everything here. In fact, even most of the topology was done inside of ZBrush. So if we take a look here in the outliner, there's a group that holds all of this together, and within here is the head model, which you can see is just this model that we're looking at right now. It does have UVs, and that's of course how the texture is applied. There is the eye model right over here, a little too high res for what we probably need, but it shouldn't really slow us down. We can always replace them later if necessary. And there's also a hidden piece of geometry here called a bald cap, which is, just as the name implies, is a piece of geometry that kind of fits onto the model, kind of like a bald cap. It's going to be useful for a variety of reasons when it comes to creating hair, as you'll see as we get to those parts of the course. So beyond that, all that's really in here is pretty much just shaders that are applied. This model, for example, just has a texture map and a normal map, and they're applied to an AI, which is an Arnold standard shader. And then there's an even simpler shader with just a color map for the eyes. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show this to you, explain what was in here, because again, this is going to be the asset we're going to work with for majority of the course. So let's go ahead and end this clip here, and in the next clip we're going to begin working with NHair in Maya 2017.